Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually fix the Roomba error code number 3. Now it's a very common issue and I'll show you how to actually fix it. Now what happens with your Roomba when error 3 occurs is that the right wheel is stuck or is hanging loose. Now make sure to push the wheel up and down several times and shake out any loose debris that may be trapped inside the wheel. What you could also check if there's any hair stuck inside the wheel. This often occurs when your wheels are stuck. Now if you still can't get it to roll, blow in it firmly to check if there's any debris coming loose. Now here briskly turn both wheels by hand and make sure that they're turning freely and each wheel exhibits the same amount of resistance, so that the right and left wheel are actually the same. Now if you still can't manage to fix the issue, please contact the Roomba, the iRobot customer care to check if you still get any warranty on your device. Now if this tutorial helped you in any kind of way, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, but most importantly, thank you for watching.